The law of decision, or the law of ownership. Between stimulus, so something happening, and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. That is Viktor Frankl, or it's often associated with Viktor Frankl, who wrote the book Man's Search for Meaning. Pretty good book. Essentially the story of being in the concentration camps during the Holocaust and feeling like life's just got no meaning. And he came up with this therapy called logotherapy. Logo is short for logos. Logos is like the divine meaning that you can find in things. That's what logotherapy was. The naming convention came from. And essentially his therapy was that you can always find some meaning in something. And so what this is essentially saying is that the meaning is found in the forks in the road where something happens or something presents itself to you, and you can go left or you can go right. One of the members inside the Unicorn Closer Mastermind said something to me the other day, which is exactly this point. And she referred to it as those kind of interactive books or those interactive games where you're in a situation, it says, press X and you'll do this decision, and press Y and you'll do this decision. That's life. That is your life. That is the game of your life. There is always stimuluses. There's always things happening. And you can choose one option or you can choose the other. And your life is shaped by those decisions. Your amount of your human potential that you either unlock or you don't unlock is only going to come from those forks in the road. We can't control arriving to the fork in the road. We can't control the circumstances, but we always, and this is Viktor Frankl's point of logotherapy and think of being in the concentration camp in the Holocaust, we always retain the power to choose our responses. And in that choice lies two things. With great power, as Uncle Ben said to Spider-Man, we're really nerding out in this video, comes great responsibility. Now, there's the best thing that you can ever have in life with that, which is life has meaning. If you are responsible for things, life has meaning. But the worst thing in some forms that can happen in life comes from that same thing, which is everything actually matters. You can't fuck around anymore. You can't be a child. You got to grow the fuck up. I love this from Jordan Peterson. He says, the Peter Pan story. It's okay if you're 25 years old and you haven't figured life out, but when you're 30 and you still haven't figured life out, you don't have money, you don't have freedom, you don't have choices, you don't have abundance, you haven't become much as a person, you can't control your emotions, you can't communicate, you can't lead. Jordan Peterson says, it's not acceptable anymore. You're just an overgrown infant. And people in society are going to look at you. Not that that's necessarily the most important thing is worrying about other people. The point of the mastermind is caring about how do you view yourself. But other people would look at you and be like, what have you been doing with your life? Well, that's probably you as a unicorn closer. And I talk to you as a unicorn closer because I know you, because I am you, I was you. You feel like you deserve more in life. You're like, I should be making more money. Like my stupid bosses, they were less intelligent than me. I've read the books. I've got a whole bookshelf of books. I've done all the books. I've done all the courses. Well, unfortunately, the truth is, the cold hard truth is you've still made the wrong decisions. Because if you'd have made different decisions, life is actually fair. Meaning, as Charlie Munger said in the previous one, you will earn the money that you deserve to be earning. You will have the freedom that you deserve and have shown responsibility from God to bestow it to you that you will be responsible for. You will have the authority, the leadership that you are capable of wielding. If you don't have leadership, if you don't have authority, if you don't have freedom, if you don't have choices, if you don't have financial abundance, it's because you haven't followed the law of decision. So, the transformation principle from the law of decision, law of ownership is you always have the power to... How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own, All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.